Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons. First, gather your essential ingredients, ensuring everything is measured precisely. You will need fine almond flour, confectioner's sugar, and aged egg whites. It is crucial that all your ingredients are at room temperature for the best results. Also, prepare your baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone mats before you begin. This foundational step sets you up for success. Next, we focus on the meringue, whipping egg whites with granulated sugar until stiff peaks form. This stable meringue is key to macaron structure. Then, carefully fold the sifted dry ingredients into the meringue. This process, called macaronage, requires a gentle touch. You are aiming for a lava-like consistency, where the batter flows slowly off your spatula, forming a ribbon. This ensures smooth, uncracked shells. Now, transfer your macaron batter into a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Pipe uniform circles, about 1.5 inches in diameter, onto your prepared baking sheets. After piping, firmly tap the baking sheets against your counter several times. This releases any trapped air bubbles, preventing hollow shells. Finally, let the piped macarons rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a dry skin forms on their surface. This step is vital for developing the characteristic feet. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the macarons for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, rotating the trays halfway through for even baking. The shells should be firm and have developed their signature feet. Once baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheets before carefully peeling them off. Finally, pair up similarly sized shells and fill them with your favorite ganache, buttercream, or jam. Enjoy your homemade macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.